In September 2015, the General Assembly adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development that includes 17 Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, building on the principle of leaving no one behind. The new agenda emphasizes a holistic approach to achieving sustainable development for all. They address the global challenges we face, including those related to poverty, inequality, climate, environmental degradation, prosperity, and peace and justice. We've been identifying the UN SDGs as a central topic with our customers, and also conducting different focus groups around the UN SDGs. So let's take a look at one of our customers, IKEA, and their UN SDG alignment. This is from their sustainability report, which is 59 pages long. They have an entire section dedicated to the UN SDGs. They cover how they are committed to each and the specific projects associated with them. So Autodesk has just recently launched our 10th annual report and how we support each of these sustainability commitments. This is a way to help up-level your conversation, showing that they care about this and we care about this, and how can we work together to meet these common goals. Now let's look at Ford. The Ford goals have Autodesk solutions. So throughout Ford's sustainability report, they share some of their goals, and the ones around material, energy, and waste, we have specific solutions that can help out with that. So we can help them to be more energy efficient and have better material productivity.